In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a PS4 controller to a PC with Steam built-in drivers. If you want to use your PS4 controller for PC gaming without installing extra third-party software, Steam makes the process very simple. We'll go through the connection process from pairing the controller with Windows to checking that Steam recognizes it properly and adjusting the settings to fit your preferences. To begin, make sure Bluetooth is turned on for your PC. Then take your PS4 controller and confirm that it is completely turned off before pairing. Once it's off, press and hold the PS button and the share button at the same time. Keep holding them until the light bar starts flashing. That flashing light is important because it means the controller has entered pairing mode and is ready to connect wirelessly to your computer. Next, on your Windows PC, open Settings, then go to Bluetooth and Devices. From there, choose Add Device and then select Bluetooth. This tells Windows to start searching for nearby wireless devices. Give it a moment and your PS4 controller should appear in the list of available devices. When you see wireless controller in the list, select it. Windows will begin pairing with the controller. After a few seconds, the connection should complete. If everything works correctly, your controller is now linked to the PC through Bluetooth and ready for Steam to use. Once the controller is paired, open Steam. In most cases, Steam should detect the controller automatically as soon as it launches. This is one of the advantages of using Steam's built-in driver support because it handles much of the setup for you in the background. After that, go into Steam and open Settings, then select Controller. This is the main area where you can manage how your controller behaves in Steam and in supported games. If your PS4 controller appears there, select it to open the available configuration options. From this section, you can test the button inputs to make sure every button responds correctly. You can also calibrate the controller if movement feels off, which can be especially helpful for analog sticks and triggers. Steam also gives you the option to remap buttons, so if you prefer a custom layout, you can change the controls to match your playstyle. You can adjust joystick dead zones as well, which is useful if the sticks feel too sensitive or not responsive enough. Depending on what Steam shows for your controller, you may also be able to enable or disable certain controller features. Once that's done, your PS4 controller should be ready to use on your PC through Steam.